Experiencing gear shift problems in your Tesla Model 3, such as it not going into drive, reverse, or park, can be frustrating. This issue primarily stems from the electronic shift-by-wire system, where gear selection relies on software and sensors rather than mechanical linkages. While over-the-air OTA software updates have significantly mitigated these problems, hardware failures can still occur, particularly in older models. Let's break down the common causes and solutions. One of the most frequent causes of gear shift issues in the Tesla Model 3 is software glitches. Bugs in the autopilot or powertrain firmware can disrupt the communication between the shifter input and the transmission system. When a glitch occurs, the firmware processing fails, preventing the shifter from engaging drive, reverse, or park properly. Tesla addresses these software glitches with over-the-air or OTA software updates. These updates are delivered wirelessly to your vehicle and can fix bugs without visiting a service center. The latest updates, such as version 12.5.1, include enhanced diagnostics that detect shift issues early and automatic recalibrations that restore proper communication in the shift-by-wire system. Regularly check for and install updates via the Tesla app. Open the app, go to the software section, check for updates, and install them when convenient. By keeping your software up to date, you can prevent many gear shift issues and ensure your Model 3 operates reliably. If software solutions don't resolve the gear shift issue, the problem might be due to hardware failure. The shifter's internal components, like potentiometers or Hall effect sensors, can fail due to wear, corrosion, or manufacturing defects. Moisture ingress, especially from car washes, can also short-circuit the module. Models from the 2017 to 2020 production runs are particularly susceptible. If you suspect a hardware failure, contact Tesla service for a diagnostic check. Tesla has issued several recalls related to gear shift issues in the Model 3, including the notable NTESA ID 23V123. This recall, initiated in 2023 and still ongoing, addresses shifter module failures that can cause the vehicle to fail to engage drive, reverse, or park modes. To check if your vehicle is affected, visit the NHTSA website at nhsa.gov/recalls or check your Tesla account for recall notifications. You can search by VIN, year, make, and model. Tesla also sends email notifications for active recalls. Tesla has extended warranty coverage for shifter components until 2028, particularly for models produced between 2017 and 2020. This covers hardware failures like moisture ingress or electrical faults in the shifter module. If your Model 3 is under warranty or part of a recall, Tesla will replace the affected shifter components free of charge. This includes the printed circuit board assembly and related sensors. Service centers perform these repairs with turnaround times averaging 1 to 2 days. Taking advantage of recalls and warranty coverage can save you significant repair costs, as shifter module replacements can cost several $100s out of pocket. Always check your coverage before attempting DIY fixes. If the problem persists, a visit to a Tesla service center is necessary. Technicians at Tesla service centers have the expertise and tools to handle complex gear shift issues that can't be resolved at home. They will perform comprehensive diagnostics to identify the root cause of the gear shift problem. Procedures may include firmware resets to recalibrate the shift system or complete module swaps for hardware components. The repair process usually takes 1 to 2 days to complete. When you arrive, be ready to describe the symptoms in detail and share any error codes you've noticed from the vehicle's display. Tesla service centers are equipped with specialized tools and expertise to resolve both hardware failures and software glitches that require professional attention. To minimize future gear shift problems in your Tesla Model 3, avoid forceful manipulation of the gear shift knob. Forceful handling can cause wear on the electronic components and lead to premature failures. Ensure your car's software is always up to date through over-the-air updates. Tesla's software updates include enhanced diagnostics and automatic recalibrations that can prevent ECU conflicts and software glitches before they cause shift issues. If you live in a humid climate, consider applying moisture-resistant kits to protect vulnerable electronic components. Moisture ingress can short-circuit the shifter module and cause hardware failures, especially in older models. Regularly check for any unusual behavior in the gear shifting process and address it promptly. Early detection through Tesla's app diagnostics or service visits can prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. Proactive care can significantly extend the life of your Model 3's shift-by-wire system. By following these practices, you reduce the risk of both software and hardware failures, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. Tesla is continuously working on improving the reliability of its gear shift systems. Future models like the refreshed Model 3 post-2025 redesign feature upgraded waterproofing and redundant sensors, reducing failure rates significantly. The refreshed Model 3, scheduled for post-2025, includes upgraded waterproofing to prevent moisture ingress that causes hardware failures. Redundant sensors provide backup systems, ensuring the shift-by-wire mechanism remains operational even if one component fails. Tesla's integration of AI-driven diagnostics, powered by full self-driving software, will predict gear shift failures before they happen. This technology analyzes sensor data and driving patterns to detect potential issues, allowing over-the-air updates to correct problems proactively. By 2030, Tesla plans to implement quantum-resistant firmware to protect against cyber attacks that could induce gear shift failures. This advanced security measure ensures the vehicle's electronic systems remain impervious to emerging threats, further improving overall reliability. These continuous improvements demonstrate Tesla's commitment to enhancing vehicle reliability, making gear shift issues a thing of the past for future models.